Short swinging, like I'm doing here, can be just as detrimental as actually long swinging and taking too big of steps and missing area. The reason why is because at 45 degrees from here to 90 degrees out to my right, I'm covering a fairly large area. If I'm short swinging, I'm only covering a very small area, which means I have to take a lot more steps to cover the same sort of area, and coverage equals treasures. That's the way it works. So you should be swinging from 45 degrees across your body with your body articulated that way to avoid a pendulum swing, around to approximately 90 degrees, also doing the same thing where your body swings that way as well as your arm. That means then you're covering a nice, at my height and length, about a 1.5, 1.6 meter swing area. That means as I do my short steps forward, doing the penguin, then I'm getting all of that coverage in area, not missing a thing. If I'm short swinging like this, I can do that, but I now have to do another loop back again to cover that area that I could have already have done.